Hi, welcome to the overview video of the Bamboe snack kit, and in this I will be showing the right side, and the next I will be showing you everything, the reasons why I will be doing this. So first, the overview is we'll be covering three subjects: you as the entrepreneur, your market that you have chosen or maybe not yet chosen but you want to find a market, and the business. So if you already have a business, we will be analyzing it and we will be finding optimizations for it. And finally, last but not least, is a bonus. It's called the value ladder and something that I call the Bamboe growth path, which you are on right now. I'll tell you more about it, but in really short, it's like the levels that I've built and I'm building for you to get to where you want to go, from where you are to where you want to go. Alright, so the subjects for the entrepreneur are the bridge of life, where you will, the personal SWOT, the push or pull planner, and for the market we will be researching the trend, we will find profit possibilities, we will be researching your audience. For the business, it will be we will build a Bamboe business bridge to see where you are in your business and where you lack and where should be more attention to. We will do a business SWOT and we will do an online marketing quick scan. Okay. Whew. Now I'm over here and I'm in this little corner because you can see on the right side all the reasons why I've put this in here. So the entrepreneur, why I'm covering that is that you need to know your strengths and weaknesses. The bridge of life will help you rate your life and find gaps on certain categories that are important in your life. So your personal SWOT will be where we will research personal risk and opportunities, but also strengths and weaknesses of yourself, of your character traits, your beliefs. At the push or pull planner, we will discover how to juice yourself up, how to create a plan that makes you excited to work on, so that work becomes play. All right, wouldn't you like to play instead of work all day, every day? If so, then keep watching. All right, so the market is where we will find, and we will know what boat we are in, or boat you are in. And for the trend, you will discover if you are in the right boat and if you should pivot to maybe a little bit different boat. And in the profit possibilities, you will discover what you can earn and what you should ask for your product or service, and the reasons why you should ask that, at least that. So, and the audience is, you need to discover your audience, because that is like the number one goal, is to serve, in business, is to serve your audience, your clients, your ideal client. So you need to know who they are in order to help them, because the better you know them, the better you can help them. All right, sounds good? Let's move on to the next one. The business. So we will rate and assess your business. If you don't have one, that's okay. These tools will be still valuable if you want to start it. So the Bamboe business bridge is, you will rate your business and find gaps. So it's the same with the bridge of life, but in your business, and the bridge of life is for yourself personally. The business SWOT, we will discover your business risks and opportunities. And for the online marketing quick scan, this is something that, because I have a lot of experience in internet marketing, I've put in here because it will deliver you a lot of value, even if you don't have a website yet. And to know these things, and you can help other people with these things as well. But it's really good to know how to do these things, how to know where you are with your internet marketing, and to find quick wins to optimize. The bonus of the value ladder is to learn how to build $1 million business. I've learned this from actual millionaires: Tony Robbins, Richard Branson, a founder of ClickFunnels, Alex Ramosi, all people that have more than 100 million in revenue every year. So, isn't that something to stick around for? I thought so. Okay, so that was the end of the overview and learnings video. I will see you in the next one where I will talk about the entrepreneur. So the bridge of life, the personal SWOT, and the pool planner. All right. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one where you will discover gaps in your life and to see how you're doing and how balanced your life is. All right, see you soon.